A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for duck, duck. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for glass, glass. H for house, house. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 8 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter H, reading plus writing. Now today we will do the letter number 8 in alphabets. Okay, now what comes after letter G? Yes, what comes after letter G? Yes, letter H. This is small h. This is a lowercase, and the sound of this letter is H, H, H. Okay, now what begins with this letter? H, hand. Wow, this is my left hand. Yes, can you see this? Yes, this is my left hand print. Yes. Wow, this is my left hand, and I have written letter H inside of this print, this hand print. Okay, H, hand, H, hand. Okay, how many hands we have? Yes, we have 2 hands, right hand and left hand. Yes, we do lot of work with the help of these 2 hands. So, we should thankful to Allah for this great blessing. Okay, ji, H, hand. And now, what is this? Wow, this is a helicopter. H, helicopter. H, helicopter. H is the first letter in helicopter. Okay. Same like this, H is the first letter in hand, and A is the first letter in helicopter. Okay, now what? Yes, next is H is the first letter in hat. This is a hat. Okay, H, hat, H, hat. Okay, now next is, yes, this is a house. This is a house, and H is the first letter in house. H, house. H, house. Okay. H, hand. H, helicopter. H, hat. H, house. Yes, very well done. Yes, here we have done the first part. Okay, let's do the next part. Okay, this part is about instructions for writing. Yes, here you can see a line pattern for the letter H. Okay, how you will write letter H, small h, on this line pattern. Okay, first of all, I will discuss this line pattern in front of you. Yes, students, first is top line, next is middle line, third is base line, and the fourth and last is lower line. Okay, in first step, you will make a straight line between top and base line. Okay, you will start from the top line and come down, make a straight line and touch the base line. Yes, make a straight line between upper 3 lines. Okay, top, middle and base. Okay, in next step, yes, make a curve with a straight line. Yes, here first you will make a straight line and now make a small curve. Yes, with middle line. Okay, with middle line make a little curve. Okay, like this. Yes, very nice. Okay, now here in the last step, First you will make a straight line, then you will make a little curve and come down, yes, with the help of a straight line and touch the baseline, and here you will make a little loop or a small tail. Yes, again I will tell you. First you will make a straight line. Okay, now next, yes, you will make a little curve with this straight line like this. This is a small curve. Okay, and in next step you will come down with the help of straight line, right? Okay, now in the last step, yes, first make a straight line, then make a little curve. Now come down with the help of a straight line, and here you will make a little loop or a small tail. This is small h, this is a lowercase, and the sound of this letter is h, h, h. This is a sky letter. This is a sky letter. It should be in upper three lines. It should be in upper three lines. Top, middle and base. Okay. Okay, now get ready for an activity. Are you ready for it? Good. Okay, now, wow, here you can see a hollow letter H with different hearts. Yes, H is for hearts. H, heart. H, hearts. Yes, heart is very important part in our body. Yes, so for this activity, fill the letter H with heart stickers, stamps or sketches. Yes, you can fill the hollow letter H with the help of heart stickers, stamps or sketches. Yes, just like me. Wow, H is for hearts. H is for hearts. H, hearts. H, H, H. Okay students, now today you will do letter H on your notebook, right? Okay, inshallah we will meet again on tomorrow with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.